decided, since I was also holding the health portfolio for the last 5 years, that the government has totally failed on the fronts of healthcare. आयज कोणी मिडियाचो मनीस बी खंय हॉस्पिटलान गेल्यार आयज हॉस्पिटलान मेडिसिन्स फ्री आमी दिताले गेल्या 5 वर्सां. आयज ते फ्री मेडिसिन्स गांवानात. गांवान आमी जेन्ना वयता लोकांक विचारपाक की बाबा कितें परिस्थिती, ते सदां म्हणटात की हे सरकार जेन्ना ते सत्तेर आयला तेन्ना गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर्स एंड कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर्सान लोकांक मेडिसिन्स विकते घेवचे पडटा. आयज फाटल्या विधानसभेन प्रश्न वचारलेलो की 1 लाख रुपयाचे जे आमी कॅन्सराचे जे इंजेक्शन दिता ह्या सरकारान गेल्या 12 महिने त्याची विक्री करूंक ना आनी हे मेडिक्लेमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान रिएम्बर्स जाताले. स्वर्ण जयंती आरोग्य विमा योजना जी आमी सुरू केली काँग्रेस सरकारान बेश्टे घोशणा केली की आमी ते 2 लाख वाडयता काय 3 लाख वाडयता. हे त्यांचे एनरोलमेंट आतापर्यंत चालू आसा. एनरोलमेंट जोपर्यंत बंद जायना तोपर्यंत त्या तरेची सेवा लोकांक दिवपाक मुश्कील जातली. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट, आयज उद्घाटन पार्ट्यो सगळीकडे लायतात. हे पीपीपी म्हणणारो हो सरकार की म्हापसा हॉस्पिटल आमी स्वता चलू शकता डिपार्टमेंटच्या माध्यमांतल्यान. आयज पर्यंत आयसीयू एंड एनआयसीयू ल्हान भुरग्यां खातीर थंय कमिशन जावंक ना. आयज आयसीयू चलना, ऑपरेशन थिएटर सगळे चलनात. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे ऑपरेशन जाल्यार आयसीयूची गरज आसा. तेच आजिलो ते सेटअप नव्या बिल्डिंगेन चेंज केलो आनी थंय इन्स्टॉल केलो म्हूण जायना. फोंड्याच्या हॉस्पिटलान म्हाका डॉक्टर कालूच गावल्ले, येवन सांगून गेले तुमी आसतना तरी आमकां एक होप आसलो की ते जातलो म्हणून. आनी कित्याक म्हणून सांगले, कितें जालां, बरे डॉक्टर काडले म्हापशाचे आनी फोंड्या घातल्या लोकांक दाखोवपाक फोंड्या तालुक्याचे की आमी हॉस्पिटल चालू केला. पूण फोंड्याच्या हॉस्पिटलान ऑपरेशन थिएटर आयज पर्यंत चालू जावंक ना, काय सर्जरी एक थंय जावंक ना. ओपीडी फक्त चलयल्ली वयता. नर्सीसचे शॉर्टेज आसा आनी ही आयज परिस्थिती आरोग्य क्षेत्रांत. आयज हांव पळयतालो सरकार म्हणटा की स्टॅटिस्टिक्साचेर आमी इव्हॅल्युएट करूं नये गव्हर्मेंटाक. पूण फाटीं स्टॅटिस्टिक्साचेरूच सरकार आमच्या सरकाराक आडवे घालतले. आयज हांव एक विचारूंक सोदतां, जर स्टॅटिस्टिक्साचेर वचपाचें ना जाल्यार खंयच्या आदाराचेर आमी इव्हॅल्युएट करूंक जाय की सरकाराची एफिशियन्सी कितें, नॉन टॅक्स रेव्हेन्यू कितें, टॅक्स रेव्हेन्यू कितें, बजेटेड कितें आसा आनी तुमी रेव्हेन्यू रिसिटाची परिस्थिती आयज राज्यांत कितें आसा. ऑपोजिशनाचो अधिकार आसा हे म्हायती घेवपाक. टिका करपाक म्हणून आमी हांगा बसूंक ना टिका करपाक. पूण मुख्य म्हणजे आयज 108 ची सेवा आमी चालू केली. खंयच्याय मिडिया पर्सनान भायर वचून 108 चे नंबर दाबान एम्ब्युलन्साची परिस्थिती पळया, बिकट जाल्ली आसा. गेल्या वर्सभरान एक एम्ब्युलन्स वाड करूंक ना आनी थंयसरलो कितलोय स्टाफ सोडून गेल्लो आसा नोकरी. आनी आयज ती एफिशियन्सी आनी कितलो टायम लागता ते 108 ची एम्ब्युलन्स येवपाक ते हांवें सांगपाची गरज ना. तुमकां अनुभव आसतलो, तुमकां खंयच्याय मनशा कडल्यान म्हायती घेवं शकता. फाटीं गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान हांवें जे प्रकल्प चालू केल्ले सगळे पे वॉर्ड आनी इतर काही गोष्टी, आयज पर्यंत पूर्णपणे पे वॉर्ड चलना. 5 ओटीज कंप्लीट केल्ले आसा, स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट ओटीज. ते ओटीज आनी ऑपरेशन थिएटेबल आयज पर्यंत घालूंक ना आनी ते कमिशन करूंक ना. पूण हे सरकार तेजेर खंय दिल्यार एक्सपर्ट नॉट अवेलेबल एट द मोमेंट. आय ओनली वॉन्ट टू आस्क द गव्हर्मेंट, यू आर स्पेंडिंग lakhs of rupees on glorifying your 1 year in governance. How much money have you spent? What has happened to the free medicines? Why are local purchases increasing in every primary health center and community health center? It is increasing because you are not providing proper supply of medicines to these centers. And when local purchases increases from the MSD section, if you check up, you find that you have to buy it at market price. Irrespective, human value cannot be, we don't want to get into that aspect also, whether it is tender, but make this available. आणि मुख्य म्हणजे सांगपाचो उद्देश एकूच की आरोग्य क्षेत्रात ओव्हरऑल जर तुम्ही पीपीपीक दोष दिलो तर तुम्ही कितें परिवर्तन केल्लें आसा गेल्या वर्सभरात. आयज म्हापशाच्या हॉस्पिटलान आयसीयू नासलेल्या हॉस्पिटलचो फायदो कितें लोकांक. नॉर्थ गोवाचो लोक म्हणटाले आमी बी नॉर्थ गोवाचे लोक. आयज वाळपयच्या हॉस्पिटलाची गरज आहा. आमी थंय प्लॅनिंग केल्लें. गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजचे इंटर्न्स फक्त मांडूर दवरूं नये, पण ते फक्त साखळी आनी मायनिंग बेल्ट असल्या कारणान आनी वाळपय थंय क्युबिक हे केल्ले आसा, ल्हान ल्हान रूम्स केल्ले आसा, 1 bedroom युनिट्स. म्हणजे हे भुरगे थंय करूं शकता आनी भुरगे केन्ना तुमी पोस्ट करूं शकता जेन्ना सोय त्या हॉस्पिटलान आसता. इवन वाळपयच्या हॉस्पिटलान इतर काही मेडिक्लेमची एक स्ट्रीम जर चालू केली ऑटोमॅटिकली ती वायबल हॉस्पिटल जाता. पूण आयज त्या हॉस्पिटलान आज तशी आसा, कोण ते पूर्ण करपाचे मार्गार ना. फोंड्याचे हॉस्पिटल नांवा खातीर म्हणून इनॉग्रेट केल्ले आसा, पूण सोयी काय ना. डॉक्टराक वचून विचारा, ते खुश आहा काय ना. आयज परिस्थिती ह्या तरेची आहा. इट्स इन शॅम्बल्स, एब्सोल्युटली इन शॅम्बल्स एज फार एज हेल्थ केअर इज कन्सर्न. डॉक्टर्स आर नॉट हॅपी and simply by saying that we'll have a cardiothoracic department and all is welcome, but it's very difficult for the government to run. See, it is also important that government's priorities seem to be misplaced. Government has to see that healthcare, to avoid future costs to the state, is well taken care of. And secondly is that this particular health minister is being a failure He has a habit of shouting loudly in the assembly, but he has failed as the health minister, due to which people of Goa are suffering. Most importantly, on the industrial sector also, what has the industries minister done to bring in investment in the state of Goa? All of you are in the media. By putting all this money, it should have been put to good use. At least that money could have been used to buy 2 operation theatre beds in the Goa Medical College and commission it. Why is it lying idle? Industrial investment, take the industrial investment chart in the state of Goa in the last 1 year. There is no major industry that has come in 1 year, and please give us a breakup as to number of Goans working in these industries. It is very important. Last 1 year we are asking these questions, we are getting vague answers, you will be shocked. Even paper plate making machines are very credible. This they feel छाती टोकून सांगता आमकां हे 2 लाख आणि 5 लाख आणि 10 लाखाची इन्व्हेस्टमेंट केल्ले कंपनीचे लिस्ट लायता. त्या लिस्ट लावन फायदो कितें? इंडस्ट्रियल इन्व्हेस्टमेंट गोंया राज्यान आयज सामकें डावन जाल्लें आसा. इंडस्ट्रियल इन्व्हेस्टमेंट ऑफ पर्टिक्युलर लेवल इज नॉट कमिंग इनटू द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा, and due to which employment generation is not taking place. We are only saying is that these are the priority areas. See, it's easy to go down to any level and criticize anybody. We don't know to do that. But main thing what we are trying to say is that industrial development is on the downward trend. Nothing is done to take it forward. What is it that is visible in terms of industrial development in the state of Goa? What is it that is visible in terms of better healthcare in the state of Goa? Only deterioration of the healthcare, deterioration of 108. No mobile clinics are being used right from November. Whatever permissions they required to use, all that ultrasound and all has been lapsed. Nothing has been done to start it. Industrial sector, as far as your medical sector and health sector, is total failure in the state of Goa. Agriculture, Mr. Shirodkar सांगल्याप्रमाणे, I was also agriculture minister, and the highest subsidies were given during the 5 years when Digambar Kamath was the chief minister of the state of Goa. Large amount of subsidies, large amount mechanization of agriculture, and if you go and ask, they don't have details. If they say my agriculture production has increased, if it has increased, give us the taluka-wise details and survey number-wise details, how much and where and which crop it has increased. This is not available with the government. And I think somewhere the government's priorities are getting misplaced. Government is to focus on the welfare. Second, ladies in the village, wherever I go, they keep on crying. Yesterday I was in Pariya village. People have been telling me that constantly we are unable to pay our electricity bills, we are unable to pay our water supply bills. It's coming totally, they computed for 3 months or 4 months and comes together. We are unable to pay. He says either I have to pay electricity and water supply, or I have to feed my wife, my children and my husband. I have to select one option, and this is the state of affairs in the state of Goa. There is nothing to glorify of the 1 year of governance of this government. It last 3 years statistics gale, last 1 year is the highest in terms of law in crimes, in terms of dacoity. Every alternate day from digital Goa you get number of rapes taking place, number of dacoities, number of thefts, law and order. There is total breakdown, and doesn't seem to be any efficiency in terms of this. It is okay when you are in governance, you have the money, you have resources to advertise and to portray that you are doing something good. But also discriminatory attitude against the people of the opposition by not giving us forms for either Grah Aadhar or Ladli Lakshmi is not right. You are in government, you should also share something with us for I have stopped now taking all these forms or anything, because people say आपल्याक 1,500 रुपया लागता ते फॉर्म भरपाक. हांवें सांगलें ते महिलाक कित्याक लागता 1,500 रुपया. ती म्हणटा 100 फावटी मारचे पडटा सगळे फॉर्मां घेवपाक, आनी तेजे नंतर हे सगळे फॉर्मेलिटीज कंप्लीट करपाक. आनी त्या सायडीक सरकारान इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आनी पाण्याचो दर वाडयल्लो आसा, म्हणजे आमकां फायदो कसलोच जायना. सो दिस इज बिकमिंग इवन, and actually more is being taken away from the citizens and common man from the people. That's why it's not benefiting the people. That's why we feel this 1 year government has miserably failed on agriculture, miserably failed on healthcare, and miserably failed on the industrial sector.